to an ABC 15 follow-up. Last month, I sat down with Second Gentleman Doug Emhoff and spoke to him exclusively about a new plan from the White House to forgive more student debt. But since then, we've been flooded with your questions, and I've been working to try to get them answered. So this morning, a question about refinancing and what rights you may be giving up without even realizing. ABC 15 viewer Jennifer writes, if we have a private spousal student loan, will we ever be eligible for public service loan forgiveness? We've been paying for 10 years, and if we hadn't consolidated into a private, it would be forgiven. We've been told to consolidate and apply through the federal government, and it's always rejected. To get Jennifer's question answered, I reached out to the White House directly to check back in, and a spokesperson told me this. Quote, it would depend on what kind of loan she has. If she has a private loan, she's unfortunately not eligible. Federal programs are only available for federal loans, Department of Education loans, and generally commercially held federal family education loans that are consolidated into the direct loan program. Unfortunately, Jennifer didn't qualify for any of that, but I didn't want to leave her hanging. So instead, I got to work trying to find a solution. My first step, reaching out to the pros at NerdWallet to get their take. And I know that you can't give specific financial advice, but in general, when you hear Jennifer's question, what are some thoughts that come to your mind?
Well, so one thing that comes up with this is that when you're talking about student loans, consolidation and refinancing aren't the same thing. So when you bundle your loans together, make them into one loan that is a federal student loan, that is a loan consolidation. If you do the same thing, but you're doing it with a private lender, which is what it sounds like this viewer is describing, that is a refinance. So that is a completely different animal. Once you have refinanced and you're in a private loan, you are no longer eligible for programs like public service loan forgiveness. Those and other things like income-driven repayment plans are only available to folks who hold federal student loans. So unfortunately, for someone in this situation, they are no longer eligible for forgiveness.
What are some ways that they can still try to save?
In terms of trying to find ways to save money, if interest rates have gone down since you took out the loan, you could try to refinance again to get a lower interest rate. If you currently have a private loan that has a variable interest rate, so it goes up and down with the markets, you could try to refinance that to a fixed rate loan that could potentially bring your payments down.
Okay, so Kate with NerdWallet also suggested to me check out tools offered by studentaid.gov. There's a simulator there that can give you a better idea of what it would look like if you decide to consolidate or refi and wait when you may be eligible for forgiveness on your federal loans. As always, we're here to answer your questions, so keep them coming and check out more of our student debt stories. Head to the main page of ABC15.com.